Hi all, we have a easy chicken enchilada that we're going to make today. In the pan we have peppers, green onions, cilantro, parsley, oregano, and cumin frying. Once cooked down, add diced tomatoes. I am adding 5 shredded chicken breasts to this. By taste, I am adding more cumin. Chili seasoning, you could use mild or hot, depending on what you like. I use roasted garlic instead of regular garlic. I like this cilantro and lime seasoning, and then also pepper and salt to taste. Sour cream is going to go in. Then we're going to add a triple cheddar or whatever cheddar or Monterey you have. After everything is hot in the pan, we're just going to put it on a tortilla and then wrap it up. Put a layer of sauce on the bottom. I use my own sauce of marinara that I make, but you could use whatever to your taste, but add cumin to that sauce. Once you have a whole pan full of tortillas, add sauce over top of all of them. Spread the sauce evenly and then add cheese on top. Put in oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Now this is not a typical enchilada. This is an easy way of putting all of it together in one pan and having it for dinner on a weeknight. Enjoy!